Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Fans. If you are passionate about transforming your home into a futuristic heaven, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the incredible world of smart home technology and digitization, exploring how these advancements can elevate your living experience to a whole new level. Imagine living in a home that not only understands your needs but also anticipates them. A home where convenience, comfort, and control are at your fingertips. From walking up to a perfectly heated room to having your coffee ready the moment you step into the kitchen, and even ensuring your security with state-of-the-art system, the possibilities are endless. In today's episode, we're going to explore the top technologies and digital systems that make all this possible. We all talk about smart lighting, automated home systems, voice controlled assistant, and so much more. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or just looking to make your life a little easier, this video is packed with information to help you make the best choices for your smart home. So let's get started. Number 1. Smart lighting. Use LED smart bulbs that can be controlled via smartphone apps or voice commands. These lights can change color, intensity, and can be scheduled to turn on or off automatically. Number 2. Home automation system. These systems integrate various smart home devices, allowing you to control lighting, heating, cooling, and security systems from a central hub or a smartphone app. Number 3. Smart thermostats. Devices like Nest or Ecobee learn your preferences over time and adjust the temperature automatically for energy efficiency and comfort. Number 4. Voice controlled assistants. Devices like Amazon Echo or Google Home can control other smart devices, play music, provide news updates, and assist with daily tasks using voice commands. Number 5. Home security system. Smart security cameras, doorbells with cameras, motion sensors, and smart looks can enhance home security. They often come with smartphone apps, support like remote monitoring. And then comes entertainment systems, smart TVs and sound systems that can stream content from the internet and can be controlled with a smart device. And then comes one more, that is smart appliances like refrigerators, ovens, washing machines, and other appliances with smart capabilities can be controlled and monitored remotely. Energy management system. Smart meters and energy management system helps in monitoring and optimizing electricity usage. Health and wellness tech. Devices like air quality monitors, water purifiers, and smart health gadgets like sleep trackers contribute to a healthier living environment. Networking infrastructure. A strong and secure Wi-Fi network is essential to support all these devices. Mesh Wi-Fi system ensures seamless connectivity throughout the home. Cloud integration. Many smart home devices rely on cloud services for enhanced functionality like data analytics, remote access, and software updates. Smart blinds and curtains. Automated window treatments can be programmed to open, close based on time of the day or sunlight, aiding in natural light management and energy efficiency. And for gardening and outdoor tech, smart irrigation system, outdoor lighting, and weather monitoring systems can enhance outdoor living space. There you have a comprehensive look at the fascinating world of smart home technology and how it can revolutionize and your daily living from as we discussed, from turning your home into energy efficiency hub to enjoying utmost convenience and security. We have covered some of the most cutting edge technologies that are reshaping homes around the world. And I hope this video has ignited your imagination and shown you the endless possibilities that smart home technology brings to the table. Remember, whether you're taking your first step into smart living or looking to upgrade your existing setup, the future is all about making your home more responsive, efficient, and most importantly, tailored to your lifestyle. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring more exciting content your way. Always drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video. Until then, keep innovating, make your home smarter. Thank you.